Ukraine, a land of vibrant culture and rich history. From the majestic Dnipro River to the enchanting Tunnel of Love, this country is a treasure trove of natural wonders. And let's not forget the serene Carpathian Mountains, a haven for nature lovers. But Ukraine isn't just about beauty, it's a hub of innovation and science. With contributions to space exploration and IT advancements, this nation is at the forefront of technological progress. And when it comes to art and literature, Ukraine shines bright. From Taras Shevchenko to Ivan Franko, their works have left an indelible mark. But it's not all serious. Ukrainian festivals and traditions bring joy and color to life. From vibrant celebrations to captivating folk dances, there's never a dull moment. So let's explore and appreciate Ukraine's rich contributions to the world's cultural and scientific heritage. Join me on this journey of discovery.